thank you for joining me. I'm here with Clive and I'm here with Paul. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. We're here at the Symantec stage. One aspect that kind of gets explored a lot is when it comes to machine learning and AI. Is there any way that can benefit IoT devices, making them more secure, stop the shortfalls that we're seeing?
Yeah, so on a consumer basis, we've been in talks with some ISPs in the past where we're actually looking to use algorithms to profile home networks.
Right.
So if you think about the type of traffic that leaves a home network, the home routers are typically quite dumb devices because they're low value again, and the home consumers don't need them to be intelligent devices like an enterprise would. But what we're seeing is if the ISP have the ability to actually profile what data's leaving a user, and it'd be very nice and it'd be a bit of a differentiator for ISPs if they were to report back to the user that things are happening on their network which shouldn't be, which could look at like traffic which is a compromised machine calling back to a known command and control server, or if potentially people are calling into the home network via devices that have default passwords to then access other devices in the network. But theoretically, ISPs have all that ability to look at that traffic. Right. So it'd be quite nice if they were more proactive and use that as a way to competitively differentiate themselves to win more market share from consumers.
Yeah, no, that makes complete sense. Clive, do you see any other kind of benefits from this?
I'd add to that. It is all about machine learning. Is all about actually looking at network activity, looking at what the devices are doing, and profiling them. So, we have within Symantec as well spent a lot of time in our research labs looking at our authority data lake and the telemetry we do get back from security devices, and we're often finding that that's some of the best ways is to use machine learning to understand a footprint where we're already analysing and following attack groups themselves, and they're using all sorts of ways to get into an organisation. So we can use the profiling of the methods, the network traffic that we're seeing to identify new attacks and new threats actually in IoT devices as well. So I think it's a nice way to understand the risks where you can't put a piece of software on a small piece of IoT.